Men are certainly not very difficult to please. A little bit of sincere and genuine compliment makes their heart go gaga. So in my today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 man-melting compliments which genuinely given to a man makes him bounded to you forever and ever. So let's get going. Usually we have a habit of complimenting a man by saying, wow, you look so handsome today. Wow, you look so clean shaved, or your eyes are so expressive. But trust me, these compliments don't turn on a man. You need to take a direct approach and tell him that I love your style. I love the way you dress up or the way you carry yourself. And this compliment that you give to your man will immediately sink him into a cushion of deep down comfort. Trust me guys, men equally put in a lot of hard efforts like we do in trying to make themselves look put up together. So why not acknowledge it from time to time? Compliment number 2. Play a man to his masculinity. It's an inherent nature of man to protect. So make him know from time to time, you look so effortless and still you always carry an aura of masculinity around you. I feel so safe to be with you. This compliment will immediately make his heart go gaga and he'll pour out his heart to you. For compliment number 3, men tend to always exude an aura of confidence, independence, a coolness. But trust me, from time to time, they also need validation for the things that they are doing for you in their lives. So compliment your man genuinely by saying, I love the way you think and act. This compliment immediately reaffirms his confidence that he is the right architect for this beautiful relationship that you have been nurturing. For compliment number 4, needless to say that majority of the credit while parenting a child, it goes to the mother. And needless to debate on this that all mothers are the best mothers and the wonder mothers on this earth who contributed a lot in rearing up their child. But yes, sometimes the father also needs to be acknowledged. So compliment your man by telling him that you are an incredible dad. This compliment elevates his pride and he realizes that you take cognizance, that you completely trust and recognize his fatherly skills. And this will encourage him to be a better father in nurturing your child. Compliment number 5 is certainly not a very difficult one, but the most sweetest one. And the most sweetest compliment to enter into a man's heart by complimenting, you work so hard. There are 2 inherent needs of man. One is to be respected and to be admired. So when you extend this compliment to your man, your partner, you give him a heads up that you take complete cognizance of his hard work, and this encourages him and this equally swells his pride and encourages him to double his efforts and feel inspired to work harder. So guys, extending these laudable compliments will rock solid your relationships with your man and make you his all-time favorite lady. So guys, this is a wrap up. I hope you liked my video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. I'll be seeing you soon with a new content. Till then, aap khush rahiye and chust rahiye. I love you all. Avion.